Men came to attend. The new breed gathered. The top pack in expectation. 31st December 2022. The man of God, Apostle Peter Bob Wayen, gave a prophecy and revealed how he traveled in the realm of the Spirit and saw strong destructive winds build up in the Indian Ocean.
I was praying. There's something else I saw in the waters, Indian Ocean specifically. I saw very, very strong wind, a destructive wind actually, building up in the Indian Ocean. It was very, very strong. It was destructive. And it wasn't a good sight. We need to pray for the calm of that place, of the waters. The winds, oceans always have winds. It's okay for the winds to be on oceans, but it's not okay for those winds to be destructive. And I saw people with like kind of an Indian complexion being displaced. You know, when you see guys carry things on their heads, it's not a good thing. So we pray for the calmness of that place. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Hallelujah. God is a good God.
Freddy, the indestructible cyclone. No, this is not deja vu. We are well into March and we are still talking about Cyclone Freddy as it already traversed the entire Indian Ocean and already made 2 landfalls.
Johannesburg Cyclone Freddy battered central Mozambique on Sunday after making landfall for a second time in a month, breaking records for the duration and strength of tropical storms in the southern hemisphere.
Nearly 100 people are confirmed dead in Malawi after Cyclone Freddy slammed into southeastern Africa with torrential rain and high winds. It is one of the strongest and the longest-lasting storms to ever be recorded in the southern hemisphere.
Now, Freddy is one of the strongest storms ever recorded in the southern hemisphere.
Tropical Cyclone Freddy has become the longest live named tropical cyclone ever, beating
Madagascar.
In the prophecy, the man of God saw destruction of property, loss of lives, and displacement of people carrying luggage over their heads.
We're scared of the wind, but it's mostly the rain that worries us. Our house is next to a bridge. It's very vulnerable to flooding.
This is one of the most intense cyclones we've seen. We can't just ignore it.
The state of emergency has been declared in Malawi after a tropical storm, Freddy, struck the country for a second time, killing more than 100 people. Rescue, the cyclone is one of the longest running in history. It has caused havoc across parts of South Africa.
These happenings are not just revealed to any man.
According to the World Meteorological Organization, Freddy is one of the strongest storms ever recorded in the southern hemisphere and could be the longest-lasting tropical cyclone.
Therefore, this generation is blessed with God's chosen, the father of the new breed, the pioneer of the Spirit Life Movement, our own Apostle Bob Wayen, God's mouthpiece.